So we're gonna do what is that called? The Australian dude that died by a stingray?
Crocodile hunter?
Oh, yeah, the crocodile hunter shit, but with a bird. That bird stays still. I thought it was fake.
Yeah, Crocky.
Look at Crocky, mate.
Look, put it down so you can see it. With the white pen.
Alright, let me take. Fuck, I'm scared of getting close to it.
I'll get closer.
Alright, you record it. You record it.
Right. Look at that crocomite. That nasty bird. Say what's up, little fella.
What the hell's wrong with it?
Say what's up, little fella.
What the hell? I got away.
Oh, where you going, little fella? I think it has a broken wing or something.
Wait, this?
Yeah. What's up, little fella? Where you going?
I think it's retarded.
That's why. I don't think you can fly. I bet you I could grab it. Want to record it?
You're gonna grab it?
Yeah.
Fuck.
Record it.
You are crazy. Alright, if it fucking flies. Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck. They're going to attack us. Alright, you could go.
Ready to go?
Yeah.
It's retarded.
Oh, shit, they're gonna gang up on us. Alright, let's chase them. Where are you going, mate? Oh, shit. Dead
It
end.
can't fly.
It can't?
No.
Oh, shit, it can't.
What's my house?
Alright.
Damn.